Hey everybody, and welcome to Gardening with Ben. Well, it's the 1st of May and it's the hottest day of the year so far. 28 degrees it's got up to in certain areas of the UK. Wow, what a scorcher it has been. And I hope that you found my watering tips useful in the last video, where I was saying it's best to water early in the morning before the sun comes up, and in the morning is the best time because the slugs aren't awake in the morning, so it's best to water in the morning rather than the evening because that's when the slugs come out. So what are we doing this month? Well, this month will be a month of concentrating planting all our plants out in the garden, but I'm going to be waiting till the middle of May as we still have frost up till the middle of May. Yes, it has been a heat wave this week, it's been boiling, but the temperatures could drop next week. So I'm being careful because I'm up north, we can still get frost up till the middle of May. So I'm going to be waiting and holding fire. My courgettes are ready, my pumpkins are ready, my squashes are ready, things are ready for going out, but we're waiting. I don't want to end up planting them out and killing them off by frost. So yeah, we'll be getting that done, and we'll also be planting some more seeds because I want to start a succession of growing. That means that you can start things off at different intervals so that you get a continuous crop throughout the summer period. I've got some peas in the ground already, but I'll be starting some more off because once they're harvested, I'll want to replace them to get some more peas later on in the season. The same goes for things like lettuce, beetroot, spring onions, plenty of plants that you can do that with. So if you want a succession of growing, that is what you need to do. Keep planting them at different intervals so that you get a successful harvest all throughout the summer period and hopefully up to about October time. I don't tend to grow stuff through the winter. I use the winter period as a time for doing any maintenance work, doing any repairs, doing any fixing up and tidying it all up because I've had a busy year and I like to get it all ready for the year after. And then I have a head start ready for planting and starting growing again in the March time. So that is what I do when I'm planting out. So yeah, it's going to be a busy month. I'm excited. I'm ready for this warmer weather. But yeah, it's been a gorgeous week down here and all the alliums have started popping out now. I'll be starting to share lots of photos of those on my Instagram. So if you're not following the Instagram, do give it a follow because I'll be sharing lots of photos on there. As you know, I've probably been sharing lots of photos of tulips at the moment, as I do love my tulips. They're absolutely gorgeous. And I like to go for all the weird and wonderful looking ones. I don't like just the plain ones. So we've got all that to do, and all the fruit is starting to come along. The strawberries are getting ready, they're starting to flower up, they're getting bigger. So now that they're starting to flower up, I'll start feeding them with either tomato feed or seaweed feed like that to get them growing better and getting some nice juicy fruits on them. And I'll probably look at netting them over this year because the birds got quite a lot last year and I didn't get many strawberries, which I'm disappointed at. And I've got over about 200 plants in this year, so I want a good crop of strawberries, so I'm going to look at netting them up. And the same goes for my blueberries as well. My dad always nets his up and he gets a fantastic crop on them. They've all got flowers on them at the moment. They're looking absolutely gorgeous. I'm looking at them now while I'm doing this video, but yeah, they're all getting flowers on them. Everything's bursting with life. We've got the apple blossom coming out on the cooking apple tree and on the other eating apple trees as well. So hopefully we get a good crop this year. We're due a good year. Last year weren't a good year for growing. We didn't get much sunshine, but certain things did grow well. But hopefully we'll get a good crop this year. And I'm looking forward to this year. I think we're going to have a hot summer. With the way this year started, I think we're going to get a very good year of growing down here at the allotment this year. And I'm prepared for it. I won't be obviously down as much this year because I only get 2 days off a week now. Before I used to work 4 on 4 off, so I could spend a lot of time down here, but I only get 2 days off a week now. But I have started coming down at night when I finish early from work. I'm down here now at evening and it's absolutely gorgeous, peaceful, it's lovely. We've got obviously the beautiful sunshine. So yeah, I'm going to start making it down at night time wherever possible and hopefully start recording a lot more videos for you all to watch and enjoy. And yeah, thank you for those that do follow me and do support me. If you aren't following me, do give me a follow, as I do appreciate it. and I just enjoy sharing what I'm getting up to down here. And I always say I'm not a professional gardener, I'm an amateur gardener. I'm learning every single day, and that's the thing with gardening, we're learning every single day. And you do get failures, and if you get a failure, don't let it disappoint you. Just try again. I try certain things every single year, and sometimes they never grow, but I just give them a try and try again. Seeds aren't that expensive from certain places, so yeah, we have lots of fun in growing down here at the allotment. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and feel free, like I said, to leave a comment and get involved as well. And if you're new to gardening, welcome to the gardening world, and hopefully you will have a fantastic year of growing with Ben, or should I say gardening with Ben. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben everyone. We'll see you all later.